class is called My Best. It means Mobile Integrated Building Energy Science Training. Basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring building science to contractors in a way that they can put their hands on it. It's here's the science, but now here's how the science applies to the construction, to the process, to the refrigerant, to the HVAC system, to the building itself.
You know what I came away with? The technology is changing rapidly. And even if it's had a long gestation period, it hasn't been something that we have to do. Now it is because of code requirements or different interests of the community, but that hasn't translated into the skills in the building trades yet. And that's really where you're coming in. You're providing us training so that we bring current information to the building trades, but also to the homeowner, like we were talking, that, you know, the homeowner really has to drive this in some ways. The demand,
You have to ask.
You have to ask. Yeah, that's right. It has to be as equally important to the color of the trim on your house or other considerations. What type of appliances do I put in my kitchen?
We have a big section that does hands-on.
Okay.
How did that help you as a homeowner?
I think it helps make my mind go into a deeper kind of understanding of what all the real things to look for are, and the practicality of it, and how important all of the, from the beginning to the end, from the time you pour the foundation and put that first bottom plate, down, and you start building the studs, and from there it goes on.